Alright, we have a Purolator synthetic oil filters. They're old model. It's a PSL14610. There we go. This is off of a 1994 Honda Shadow VT1100. It's a 2,500, still over 2,500 miles on the filter. There's 12,500 miles on the bike. So we'll cut this open and see what it looks like. Not the greatest oil filter cutter, but it works. I do need to get me another one. This one's about maxed out on this size filter. Has a hard time going any smaller, and I think that's the problem right here. I am maxed out. Sorry for the glare. I got a light above me, but alright, got our silicone anti-drain back valve. Better change this so the light's not glaring so much. A little better. Silicone anti-drain back valve. That's a little plate for me cutting it. Looks to be in good shape. No tears, any problems with that. This is actually a mesh-backed synthetic media. It's what I understand, it's a plastic mesh, not metal like some of the others. Anti-drain back valve, and that is stiff. Well, overall, decent looking filter. They don't make these anymore. They've been replaced by the Boss, Purolator Boss filters. I believe it's pretty much almost identical design. This one still has the, probably can't see it, but it's got holes in the center tube instead of louvers, which if they're open, it's not a big deal. Just got to double check that before you buy it. Otherwise, filter looks good. Regular leaf style anti-drain back valve. Inside the filter, I actually had some magnets inside there, so you can kind of see in right there and right over there. That's where I had the magnets at, so it did catch a little bit of debris from the motor. I don't think it's anything major, but that's what those little dark marks are. Yeah, overall not a bad looking filter. I wish they still made these. Like I said, the Boss has some other minor issues with their drain back valves, but I am going to cut this media open. I'm going to let it drain out just a little bit and I'll post that. I don't know if I'll post online or not, but that is nothing super exciting, I know. If you watch this, you're really a dork like I am and like oil filters more than you should. So, alright.